Hey, good morning, traders. We're here in the green trading room, and a subscriber asked the following question on UNH. Dan, please tell me why UNH is not a triple bottom on the daily chart, which obviously the preposition was he wanted it to go higher. A triple bottom is bullish. It's a retest pattern. It's like a double bottom, but with a third retest. So just for starters, it's like when you're in third grade and you learn the alphabet. A W pattern has symmetry and time, and it's a retest. So it's showing that buyers are stepping up. Just because a stock area is near a prior area does not make it a double bottom. So let's start here on the left. Came down hard. This isn't a double bottom, but it's still a bullish higher low retest. So it's still bullish on this breakout. This is an M top. So this, see how the symmetry? You had sellers that came in, you had buyers try to bring it back up, stalled at the prior high, it's rolling, and that is a beautiful M top. So there is no beautiful W bottom or even triple bottom here. So let's continue. Stock came in hard, ugly red bar in an area of support. This is a retest. It's not what we call a double bottom because it doesn't have this time symmetry, but it's still a bullish retest and it went up. So it's a tradable pattern off major support. Now it went up, came back, rolling over here again. This is a wide range igniting bearish bar. One bar sliced through weeks of support and drove it all the way back down to here. So that is not, even though it's on support looking to the left, wide range from this bearish consolidation. I have declining 20, 50, flat 200 period moving average. Now I left the weekly and monthly on here on purpose. Let's start with the monthly over here on the far right. Amazing, amazing uptrend you've had here. Then you had some red bars ignored. That's further strength. You had this green bar, which, let me spread it out a little bit. You had this green bar, which was strength. That suggested higher prices right there. You had the ugliest red bar in this since 2014. Inside bar, another red bar. We actually call that a bull sandwich. Then we had what we call a master trader bearish 1, 2, 3 consolidation. That is bearish. This was on minor support from this prior breakout area, and we traded under last month's low, the March low. We're halfway through April right now. This I mentioned in the green trading room, this is a short to me on a bounce, on a daily bounce or even 60-minute bounce, provided that it can't get greater than 50% into this ugly breakdown bar. And I mentioned it has a lot of room to fall. Here's my first target. You know, then you don't get too crazy on targets, they're just areas. But this low, and then I don't know. I don't know where the next target is. So at Master Trader, we give you the tools, obviously, to objectively read price action, which I just did on multiple time frames. So don't even get hung up if it's a bottom or not. But it's, again, a M top is this rounding, just like third grade M. And then the reverse of that would be a double bottom. This is a wide range bearish igniting bar. Yes, it's on support, but we also teach a concept called transfer of supply and demand. So since we're talking about the short, it's a concept of, okay, I see support over there, but how potent is it in light of everything that happened leading up to it, both on this time frame and others, and the weight of the evidence based on everything I'm talking about right now was to go lower. So I hope that answered it. Good trading, and see you next time.